My PKC is a new way of accessing council services online. It allows you to submit service requests, report issues, and then track their progress. It's quick and easy to use, available 24/7, 365 days a year, from anywhere and from any device. To access My PKC, visit our website and click on the button in the top right corner of the screen. You can then sign up for a My account. Just click on Register for an account and follow the steps. This part of the registration is powered by MyGov Scotland, a Scotland-wide service, and helps us verify your identity. You will receive an email with your one-time password and activation link. Copy this one-time password to activate your account and then set up your own password. Finally, confirm that you're happy to share your information with us. You are now registered with MyPKC and all set to go. MyPKC puts you in control, allowing you to interact with us at a time and place that is convenient for you. More and more of our services will be added soon, so be sure to log into your account often to see what's new. Or follow us on Twitter and Facebook to find out more and give us feedback.